everyone, I'm very excited today to show you guys how I tame these incredibly bushy Persian eyebrows of mine. I actually had to wait to let my eyebrows grow out so I could show you guys exactly how I do it, and it was extremely dreadful, and therefore I could not wait to get my eyebrows done, or do them myself in this case. So I like to use an old toothbrush, or if you have an old mascara wand, that really works just fine. And I like to grab my favorite pair of scissors. These are scissors that I use on clients for hair, or if you have scissors made just to do your eyebrows, then you can use that as well. So here I'm just brushing my eyebrows up, and I use my scissors to go and trim the excess hairs, the hairs that are just sticking out and out of place. This is a concealer that I like to use. It's by EX1. It's the Delete Concealer. I'm in the shade D100. And so I just go and align my nose and outline my nose and see exactly where the tip of my nose draws out, in this case with the corner of my eyes, and I go ahead and just mark that corner as well. Here I'm using, I think it's Cheeky brand brushes, but I really don't recommend. As you can see, they're completely destroyed and I haven't had them for a while. And now I'm just making sure that my eyebrows are leveled up and that the arches of my eyebrows are at the same level. So grab your favorite pair of tweezers, and now that you have your outline, you can go ahead and just tweeze whatever hair is sticking out, whatever hairs are out of place. I make the silliest faces when I do my eyebrows. I completely forget to blink. So here I'm just making sure that they're well aligned with my nose. So here you don't want to make the mistake of going too far and then having your eyebrows too far apart. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean whatever hairs are underneath, just that have grown out since the last time I've done my eyebrows. So this is a step I normally skip, but this is an excellent tip if you're someone who's afraid of over plucking. You can grab your concealer or even whatever eyeliner or lip liner that you may have and just draw a line outlining wherever you know your limit of plucking is, so that you can go ahead and pluck freely and not worry about over plucking your eyebrows.
Were you in love with him?
I guess we'll never really know.
I know my eyebrows always my eyebrows don't tear up, my eyes do. If your eyes tear up when you do your eyebrows, leave a star emoji down in the comments below. It'll be our little inside joke, you know? Here in this case, I had this one hair totally bothering me. And so it's very important to just take your time and not be aggressive and go hair by hair. I cannot stress this enough. Of course, go ahead and clean, on top of your eyebrow, near your forehead, whatever hairs are just walking out of place. So don't forget also to raise your eyebrows when you're doing this. This way you get to pull your skin up without necessarily, pulling your skin too much and causing wrinkles, and just lifting your eyebrows is enough in this case to stretch your skin out. Now this is the best part. I feel like not a lot of people know about this, but it's very important to brush your eyebrows downward and then go ahead with your scissors and cut whatever hairs are sticking out. This is really going to give that freshly done eyebrow look. Ooh! As you can see, we got a long way to go with the other eyebrow. So now that both eyebrows are done, my favorite step is to go ahead and use my concealer and clean up around. This is really going to give that snatched look. Next, I like to use my Morrocan Oil Treatment Oil. This is actually meant for your hair. It smells really nice, and what this is going to do, because it has argan oil, it will help not only with shine and moisturizing, but also with the hair growth. Ta-da! Look how relieved I look. So glad this is finally done. I can be myself again. I feel like a brand new woman. That's it, guys. This is how I like to do my eyebrows. This is the technique that works for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe.